the cane broke, and then there's a way we always bind the joints such that we are able to make sure it has some uniformity. Yeah, as you see, the ring was already attached. Before we attach the ring, we had to use black tack nails so that it's able to recess it and that it's not able to come out. Yeah, so once more, my name is Oscar Kibet. We are the guys behind this kind of art. We've been doing this for the longest time. Please, I would like to ask you guys, if there are any questions you'd like to ask, feel free to share. We truly appreciate the engagement here. Now, this is the final product after the rings have already been recessed, but it's still not off the woods. We'll share the next video once everything is done. This is how it came out. The wood is mahogany. So kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.